All right, what's going on, everybody? Supercross Street Racing here. This is my Aerosmith poster right below my guitar. Epic. So, taking a look at an unboxing today, we have the 335i. So that's the E90X. Fits 2007 to 2012, I believe, or 13, not sure. E90X, that's convertible coupe sedan. Now, what we have here is a caliper kit, rotor kit, and pad kit. Pardon me. And so we got everything in this kit from eBay. Now, this is not a big brake kit. It's a performance brake kit, but it's not a bigger brake kit. And I am not a race car driver, so I don't need a bigger kit. But it is almost time to replace the brakes, and I figured that I would do something cool. Now, I wanted black calipers, but these are powder coated in red. But these are freaking awesome looking, aren't they? If I had these out of the bag, I could show you. But yeah, these are the red powder coated calipers. I believe they're remanufactured. I'm not 100% sure. Don't care. But those are the brand new front and rear brake calipers. And then in here we have a little treat for you. If I can get the box open. Oh yes. So here are the vented and slotted disc rotors, front and rear, for the 335i. So this is all from eBay. I paid $550 for this whole kit. 4 rotors, 4 powder coated calipers in red, and 4 sets of brake pads for my 2011 335i convertible. Stay tuned, because I will have a video of the install process, and that will be coming up this weekend. Peace out.